Hi friends! On today's video I want to show how to crochet little birds. Let's start. I will crochet with these yarns in pink, bright pink and dark pink colors. We'll start crochet our bird from body. Let's start. We will start with dark pink yarn. Start 6 single crochet in magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now on the second row we will increase in all 6 stitches and we will have 12 single crochets. On the second round, increase, second increase, third increase, fourth, five, and the last increase. Now we have 12 single crochets on the second round. Cut the yarn, and now we'll do on third round single crochet in next stitch and increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 6 times. 1 single crochet and increase to the next one. 1 single crochet and increase. We'll repeat this all around 6 times. On the end of the row, we will have 18 single crochets. Now, the fourth row, we will do single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, then increase and repeat this 6 times. Increase, 2 single crochets, increase, repeat this 6 times. And the last one, single crochet and increase. On the end of fourth row we'll have 24 single crochets. Fifth row, single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches and increase in the next stitch. Repeat all around 6 times. Increase, the last 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and increase. On the end of 5 rows we'll have 30 single crochets. Now we'll make round 6, 7, 8 and 9 single crochets in all 13 stitches, 4 rows. And here is, we crocheted 4 rounds, 30 stitches. Now on round 10 we'll crochet single crochet in each next 3 stitches and decrease. Repeat this 6 times. 1, 2, 3, and decrease. 1, 2, 3, 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 decrease. And on the end of this row we'll have 24 single crochets. Now round 11 we will crochet single crochets in all 24 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now round 11. Now this will be our round 12. Now we'll do decrease and then 10 single crochet and repeat this 2 times. We'll decrease 4 stitches and we'll have 22. On this round we'll have 24. Now we'll do 2 decreases and we'll have 22 stitches. Make decrease, then 10 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then decrease, our second decrease, and 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we have 22 single crochets. For 13 rounds, we will do decrease, 1 decrease, 9 single crochet, and repeat this 2 times. And we will have on the end of this round 20 single crochets. 1 decrease, then 9 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we'll do our second decrease and crochet 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. On the row 14 we will do increase and 8 single crochet. We'll repeat 2 times. Decrease, 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our second decrease and 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on round 15 we'll do decrease, 7 single crochet and repeat 2 times. Decrease, 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here will be our second decrease and then 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. On the end of 15 rows we will have 16 stitches. From here we can stuff our bird body firmly stuff the body. And now we'll do decrease, 6 single crochets and repeat 2 times. First decrease, 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our next decrease and 6 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On the end of this round we'll have 14 single crochets. Round 17. Now decrease, 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, second decrease, and 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On the end of round 17 we will have 12 single crochets here, and from here we will change our yarn to bright pink. From here we'll cut our dark pink yarn, and we'll start to crochet with pink, bright pink. First join with slip stitch, and now we'll do 2 decreases, one decrease, from here 4 single crochets, 1, 2, I crocheted for hiding these yarns, 3, 4, you can cut the hiding yarns, from here do the second decrease and make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, this is our slip stitch, 4, and now we will make 19, 20, 21, 22, 4 stitches, 10 single crochets. Now here we have 4 rounds, 10 single crochet. This part will not stop. We'll join these 10 stitches together. We'll cut, leaving a long tail, cut the yarn, and now we will sew. We'll join, we have 10 stitches, and we will sew 5 separate stitches together, opposite stitches together. On the end we have 10 single crochets, and we'll not stop this part. And now we will sew opposite stitches together So we have 10 stitches. Opposite pairs will have 5 pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair, four, so 5 pair, Now we'll crochet our head, then wings. We will start our head with bright pink color, and first make 6 single crochet in magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our first row is ready. Now we will increase in all 6 stitches and have 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Cut and hide this yarn, and from the third row we will do 1 single crochet in next stitch and increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 6 times. We will have 18 single crochets. 1 single crochet and increase to the next one. Repeat this 6 times. On the end of third row we will have 18 single crochets. Now we will make 3 rounds single crochet in all 18 stitches. 3 rows. 2 rows are ready, and now we will do single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches and increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 6 times. And on the end of the row we will have 24 single crochets. You will increase, repeat all around. Have 24 single crochets, and now on the end of this next row, only front loops will make crab stitch or a simple stitch. Now I will show how I make a simple stitch. Turn your work, chain 1, and only from front loops, from back loops we will sew our head to body. Now from front loops make 1 slip stitch and chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, and all around. Slip stitch, chain 1, join with slip stitch, and leaving a long tail we'll cut the yarn, and then we'll sew the head to the body. Now we'll stuff our head and we'll fix this is our center, our body. From we start, from there we start. Fix with scissors and start to crochet from the back loops that we leave for sewing. sew, and then we'll crochet our wings. Now we will crochet our wings with bright pink yarn. Chain 7 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and from the second chain of hook do 2 double crochet, half double crochet, sorry, 2 half double crochets, next half double crochet to the next one, then make 2 double crochets, one, 2, 1 single crochet, and make 3 single crochet to the last stitch. This will be our top. 3 single crochets here, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work, and from this side make 1 single crochet, 2 double crochets, second double crochet. From here we can cut this yarn and make 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and join with slip stitch. Leave a long tail for sewing wings to the body. After sewing, we will fix the eyes to our bird. Cut the yarn and now we will fix the eyes. We can fix with fabric glue gun or hot glue gun. Now we'll embroider our nap with orange yarn. Roll the yarn 15 times. Thirteen, 14, 15. Okay. If you have a problem like this, now we'll like this way. our bird is ready. You can decorate with a little flower on it. And if you like this video, please on below comments write your opinion, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for other interesting and beautiful videos. Thank you!